Today was a beautiful day and there was hardly any wind, so the water was very calm. Me and my friend, we took out the boat from Lake Ontario, and we got lucky that we got a couple of fish. Actually, we got three rainbow trouts, and we brought it home. And today what we are going to do is that I'll show you how to fillet a rainbow trout. I'm also not an expert in this, but learned it, seen it from videos, and just I will show you how I do it. Guys, what we have done so far is that we have descaled our trout with a regular knife, and now what we're going to do is that we are going to use a fillet knife, and we are going to make a cut right here in an angle, like this. Okay, and now because this is a bigger fish, we are going to make an incision here. The trout has a much thicker skin, so it takes a bit of a time to cut through the skin. Okay, so I'm gonna try to cut it right next to the vertebral column. As you can hear it, I'm going through the rib. So what we'll do is that we'll run through right next to the vertebral column. Just feel it with your knife, and your fillet is gonna come out. As you can hear it, that there's some bones on the cage area. I have cut those through. And we have a nice, beautiful piece right here. You can see, I can feel it. There are some bones right there. We can pluck them out, or we can, when we cut it, we can take it out afterwards. So yeah, so I just ran through across the vertebral column. It's very nice and clean. There is some meat. I'm gonna clean it out from here, but I didn't go through the gut. Try to leave it as is, because any contamination, anything that's still there which is inside the gut will remain as is, and we have only taken out a beautiful piece of fillet right there. And we'll do the same thing on the other side now. But before I do that, I'm gonna clean up, and as I said, I'm not an expert, so there is some meat over here that I'm gonna use my fillet knife, and I'm gonna take it off from here. go, guys. We have a second piece of fillet, and there is still some meat on it. I'm gonna clean it up, but most of it is very nice and clean. We got a nice piece of fillet, really good, and it's a beautiful rainbow trout from Lake Ontario. So the reason we left the skin on is that we're probably doing some grilling. I can take the skin off as well, but for now I'm just gonna clean a bit more, and I will show you the last piece where I have all the fillets together. But we have really nice, beautiful piece of rainbow trout.